So lesson 15 पार्ट 15 हमारा गांव our village ओके हमारे गांव का नाम अरसूर है our village name is अरसूर यह बहुत सुंदर गांव है सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल most beautiful विलेज यस यह गांव हरे भरे खेतों के बीच बसा है so yesterday I have shown you the picture so much of greenish we can see in that village in between the villages there खेतों में चावल और तरकारियां पौधा होती है what they are cropping there chawal means rice and tarkariya vegetables these and all they are cropping there okay गांव में करीब 3000 लोग रहते हैं in this village nearly करीब means nearly 3000 people are living हिंदू मुसलमान ईसाई आदि सभी मतों के लोग रहते हैं हिंदूस मुस्लिम्स ईसाईस क्रिश्चियन ओके आदि एक्सेट्रा सभी मतों ओके कम्युनिटी पीपल आर लिविंग देयर ओके यहाँ हिंदुओं के लिए कई मंदिर है मंदिर means you know temple okay for hindus they have temple there for muslims मुसलमानों के लिए मस्जिद है और ईसाइयों के लिए एक गिरजाघर है that is for muslims they have masudi and for christians they have church हम लोग हमेशा मिलजुल कर रहते हैं not like city people the village people always they will be together for any party occasion or if anything is not there also evening they will combine together and they will start talking like that and all ऑलवेज दे विल मिलजुल कर रहते हैं सो हमारे गांव में एक प्रारंभिक पाठशाला है प्रारंभिक इज एलिमेंटरी स्कूल ओके प्राइमरी स्कूल ओके सो एक माध्यमिक पाठशाला है माध्यमिक इज सेकेंडरी स्कूल ओके आफ्टर 5th स्टैंडर्ड सो गांव के सभी बाल बच्चे यहाँ अच्छी शिक्षा पाते हैं सो गुड what they are getting good shiksha they are getting there so they are learning there nicely okay then पाठशालाओं में खेल भी सिखाते हैं how you are learning here like coco throw ball basketball like that they also learning खेल means game okay so गांव की गलियों चौड़ी है गलियां चौड़ी हैं गलियां मीन्स दैट स्ट्रीट ओके गांव की गलियां चौड़ी है सो स्ट्रीट सी हाउ इट इज लाइक दिस the street will be दोनों ओर छायादार पेड़ है so now they are explaining how it will be so when you go to the village when you enter into village you can see both the side we can see the trees okay छायादार I said shady in last class itself हम गलियों के कभी गंदा नहीं करते हैं so their streets always they will maintain it they will not do any dirty there okay splitting throwing dust like that they will not do any time it seems ganda means dirty यहाँ पेलजाल के लिए नल का प्रबंध है so in village we can see they used to bring water from the pond right river pond they will bring from there but they are saying here they have the facility of the water we have here good water that is salt water and all is there no for drinking we are maintaining separate water like that they have water facility नहाने धोने के लिए अनेक तालाब है as I said तालाब means pond okay they have so many ponds there so for what to take bath and all okay हम उनको हमेशा साफ रखते हैं not only for that they will maintain the pond too they will not throw any thing there. Okay, they are maintaining the pond, so that is every time that it is clean. Okay, गांव के लोग गाय, बैल, भैंस, बकरी, मुर्गी भी पालते हैं. If we go village and see, we can see that they are keeping farm. Like for guy means what is that, cow. Okay, for cow, ox, and bail. Okay, for that bakri, murgi, you know what is bakri, murgi, goat, hen. For this and all, they are maintaining farm. Okay, through this also they are earning. Okay, they used to earn. So cow milk and all, they used to earn using that. So यहाँ एक छोटा बाजार है. यहाँ एक छोटा बाजार है. So here they have one small market. यहाँ कई दुकानें हैं. So we have so many shops, small shops also we have here. Okay, किराने की दुकानें में चावल, गेहूं, दाल, इमली, नमक, तेल आदि मिलते हैं. So we have here stores, right? Supermarkets like that. They have stores there. In that separate stores they will maintain to sale. So dal, imli, namak means salt, imli means this one turmeric, and dal is nothing but this one, what you say for dal, grains. Okay, grains. Chawal is rice. Okay, तेल is oil. आदि some मिलते हैं. सब्जी की दुकानें में बैंगन, प्याज, मूली, आलू, गोभी और सेब, लौकी, कुमड़ा, सहजन, भिंडी आदि तरकारी मिलती है. So what is bengan? Like bengan means brinjal. Pyaz means onion. Mooli means radish. Aloo means potato. Gobi, cabbage. Same, bean. Lauki, bottle ground. Kumada means squash gourd. Sahajan, drumstick. Bindi, lady's finger. Okay, these all they are selling in the market. Okay, गांव के लोग सीधे साधे हैं. So they will not live like city people, but they were very clean, and they will maintain their body, and they will be very simple looking. Okay, their outlook is very simple. हमेशा सरल जीवन बताते हैं. They will not live like luxury life. They will be saral. Okay, common life they will be living. Okay, to live they will maintain their saral life. So this is the gaon lesson. Okay, so if